Hey Vikas, I keep hearing about diversification in investing. What does it actually mean?
Great question, Sapna. Diversification is about spreading your investments across different assets to reduce possible risk.
So, it's not like putting all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly. By investing in a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, commodities, or even across sectors and themes, you can protect yourself from the impact of one poor performing investment.
Oh, so if one investment isn't doing well, the others can balance it out.
That's right. Diversification helps potentially minimize losses while giving you a better chance at probable returns over time.
How do I know if my portfolio is well diversified?
Look at the variety of assets and industries in your portfolio. If most of your investments are concentrated in one area, you might want to spread them out more based on your goals and risk appetite.
Got it. I'll make sure to diversify my investments wisely.
That's the way to go. A well diversified portfolio can be a strong foundation for long term financial goals. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.